to Lynn's Beauty Stash and welcome to another video. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I am super excited because I have one of my beautiful daughters who came to visit me 4 hours away, and we have not seen each other since Christmas time due to COVID. 8 months.
8 long months.
Yeah, it's a long time when you don't get to see family members due to this whole mess, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that has been through this. I'm sure so many of you parents out there have been through the same thing as well. So I thought today would be an exciting day to share with you. My daughter is going to do my makeup, and it's going to be her first time doing her mom's makeup.
Oh, so I need to remember to take a before and after photo.
Oh yeah, we do that. Yeah.
Before and after.
Yeah.
And I'm doing her makeup how I usually do mine. So it's going to look a bit different than how she usually does hers. So I'm excited.
Yeah, she does makeup very, very beautifully. And we went through a whole bunch of my makeup last night. And already she's taken a few things of mine. Okay. And she's still after some stuff today, like a palette of mine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll think about it. So, this, by the way, is Melissa. And Melissa chose the makeup color, and we're going to be using which one palettes did you choose?
They're both the Morphe palette. I'm not sure which one that they are. I don't know where it says.
So we're going to be using the Morphe 15D. And
15B.
Yeah, so here are the colors here. Neutral colors for me today.
That's how the YouTubers do it.
and that one is what?
15B.
Yeah. So, and this is the palette that my daughter is after and wanting me to give her, the 15D. I said I would think about it because I bought this.
Because I want the orange color.
I bought this but have not dug into it yet, and that's why I'm
brand new. It's the perfect gift. It's her birthday, but I want a gift.
Yeah, I don't know how that works, guys, but hey, that's okay. I'll think about it, and yeah, she'll probably end up taking it home. Mom can always buy another one. Okay, so there'll probably be no talking in the video, so I do apologize, but I will add some music. And yeah, so I hope you guys all enjoy the video.
Yeah, I usually brush. This is how I do my first. Like, obviously not me. I couldn't natural look.
It is very natural. It's very subtle. I love it. So I'm going to zoom in here.
Because I usually always do my makeup like that. I'm a fan of neutral colors.
So guys, Melissa did my makeup. I think she did a fabulous, fabulous job. Maybe she should move back home and she can do my makeup every day. But like she said, right? I couldn't, it's hard to have somebody else do your makeup when you like to do it a certain way, you know, but that's why she said not today, because I would say, you know, oh, I like it this way. No, not today. But I think Melissa did a fabulous job.
Yeah, next time maybe I'll do what you want me to do.
Yeah.
So I'll come out completely different because we're different.
No, I love the way Melissa did my makeup. So I hope you guys all enjoyed my video. I thank you so much for stopping by. And thank you so much, Melissa.
No problem.
I love her so much.
Now we look like twins.
Yeah, we do.
Except you have better cheekbones than me.
No.
Yeah, you do.
I'm older. She's one of my sweethearts. So guys, thanks again for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.